How's it going,
and
KIG86?
other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details. Thunderstorms over northern Ohio will continue to move southward. These storms will be capable of producing very heavy rainfall as they move into central Ohio.
I'm literally trying to get into bed.
Overnight hours. You should
Literally trying to go to bed.
forecast and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Again? Well, luckily you're not doing that. Neither you. That was the stupidest shit I could ever get before I go to bed.
Marion, Morrow, and Knox counties.
Can you please shut
Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding.
I'm turning this off because I'm literally about to go to bed.
And other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details. Heavy rainfall from thunderstorms is expected tonight across portions of northeast Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania.
That's nice.
Rainfall amounts of 2 to 5 inches are possible overnight into early Thursday morning, with locally higher amounts possible.
Cool, never asked. All I wanted to do was go to bed. 8:15 in the morning, what the hell?
You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
5:44, 8:14. Let me guess, triple?
This is no weather. All happens.
Oh, that's a pretty big. What the hell? Okay, I know you can turn off. You good? You good? Okay. Change the battery. I don't know. I don't know. Island activating randomly 11 in the 11 in the night. I don't know. This stupid thing lasted until 8 in the morning. Listen, I'm not having anything else activate, okay? The only thing that's gonna activate is that MD319 sitting right there. All of you can see it. Okay? I don't have school tomorrow, which is good, but I don't, no. Just freaking no. Okay. I'll change those when I finish, but for now, that's it.